we are going to open this Barbie wheelchair set. Well, obviously she broke a leg.
Yeah. And she comes with a service dog. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, service dog, because she can't walk.
The dog can guide her. There might be tape. Oh, you got it.
Here we go. Believe it or not, I have it.
All right, nice. So there's some bones for her dog and some sunglasses and a fanny pack and a cell phone.
Oh my gosh, it's pink.
Yeah, and what is this?
This?
Oh, is that a ramp?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
On the back of the box.
Oh, it's a wheelchair ramp. How nice. That's helpful. I like the color of it too.
Did you have any Barbies, Mom?
I had Barbies when I was a kid, but they didn't.
I know you had My Little Ponies.
I had My Little Ponies and I had Barbies. I didn't have as many Barbies as you have though. I had a Skipper doll, but she looked different. She had blonde hair. And I had a couple Barbie dolls. And I didn't have a dream house. I made their houses out of cardboard boxes.
Grandma told me that.
Okay, there's some here. Do you want to cut these?
Yeah, I need the scissors to do that.
Okay, and then this one.
They're called scissors, Mom.
Okay.
Remember that.
All right, let's turn it over. See if anything falls out. Oh, we got the ramp.
The dog. Dog's almost out.
We have the bones and the sunglasses and the cell phone.
The service dog is coming out. You're coming out, Bella.
Oh, they're hooked in on the bottom too.
I know.
Can I see the dog?
Sure.
All right, that's the dog.
Don't keep it.
And I think its mouth is open enough that it can probably hold one of the bones.
It can't.
It says service dog. Purple leash.
Oh,
The
is
Barbie
it
logo on it.
It is. Oh my gosh, today's like my heaven day.
All right, I think we got everything out. Oh, look, the back of her wheelchair says Barbie. Cool.
And she's the type of Barbie I like.
What makes her the type of Barbie you like? She can bend her elbows and stuff?
Uh-huh.
Nice, I like that too.
This. Basically setting it up so I can play with it at the end of this video.
Does she want to wear sunglasses? Oh, nice. They're like a headband. Okay, and then is she gonna hold on to the dog's leash? Maybe her dog can help lead her over the ramp. And then she can give the dog a treat for being such a good dog. Are they gonna go to Target? No, they're just going for a walk. Does she want to give one of the bones to the dog? Does her dog have a name?
Her name is Brandy.
What is what?
Brandy.
Brandy? The dog's name is Brandy? Okay.
Come here, Brandy. Gonna give you a bone. Here you go.
Oh, does it fit in the dog's mouth? Oh, that's so cute. Hey, Molly, how about we push this out of the way real quick and you like have her like go down the, like just on the ground. Okay, Doodle, don't be in front of the video.
That's the version of this dog. His name is Doodle, and her name is Brandy.
Okay, come on, Brandy. And lead Barbie over here.
away. Because I'm going back home now. Okay, let's go for another straw. Let's go for another straw, Bandy. Stay in the way, Bandy.
Oh no, they're gonna go off the cliff.
There they are. Turning and going away. They're gonna fly in the sky.
Oh wow, it's a fly in the chair.
Yeah, thanks for watching Molly's Dollies. We had a lot of fun. We watched everyone from our box, and it was just a really fun time. Oh no, my sunglasses fell. Okay. Let's put them on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Molly's Dollies. And make sure you ring that bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Bye!